spending hours cleaning Excel files and creating reports manually, meet ReportForge, an Excel automation platform that transforms messy spreadsheets into professional reports in seconds. Hi, I'm Mohammed Fawad Usman, and today I will show you how ReportForge can save your time and automate repetitive Excel work. So, ReportForge include three powerful tools: data cleaner, report generator, and CSV converter. First, the Excel cleaner. Simply upload your file. Upload your file. We first upload this file. Before uploading, we'll open this file in Excel. Before upload, you can see here before upload, and now we upload the file here, and our file is uploaded. Now we clean our file. Here our file is successfully cleaned, and now we download and see the clean file. Now we can see here before before here and now after cleanup. Now we can see here the data cleaning forecast. Now we see clean data and formatting. And now we move to our second. Now we move to our second. Now, second, the report generator. Upload your data set and instantly generate professional dashboard, chart, summarize, and PDF report and business insight. So now we here upload our data, and file is uploaded successfully. Now file is ready. Now we download PDF and also download Excel file. First we open PDF, and our PDF report is ready. Exclusive summary, visual chart, key findings, and data insight. And now we open our dashboard file here. Now you can see here a report for its exclusive dashboard. Here, everything. Now we move to our third. The third part is CSV to Excel converter. So upload the file. File is uploaded. Now we convert. File is conversion report. We can download conversion report and converted Excel file. Here, converted Excel file. Now we can see ReportForge also includes source file processing, user accounts, and you can see here user account login and sign up, professional logs, daily blogs here, and also have a pricing section. You can test this using free credits. Next, new user get free credits and test the platform before upgrading. And we are continuously adding new features, including AI-powered insights, advanced dashboards, and advanced dashboards. Also, we include API access and enterprise automation tool. If you don't like to, if you would like to try ReportForge, so please visit here and upload files. See how quickly you can transform raw spreadsheet into professional reports. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and feedback your comments. Thank you for watching.